Welcome to your new haven, located at 361 Front Street West, Unit 2305. This unit spans over 1,000 square feet, is located in the heart of it all, across the street from the Well. You're right by Rogers Center and Scotiabank Arena, King Street West Entertainment District. Everything is at your fingertips, but let me show you around. Just steps away if you want to head to the Rogers Center or Scotiabank Arena for a game or a concert. You're also just kitty corner to the Well, which is Toronto's newest luxury address with tons of work and play options at your fingertips. Or head down to the harbor front for a nice long walk.
Sunshine when she's gone. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Only darkness every day. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. And this house just ain't no home. Anytime she goes away. Anytime she goes away.
If you are looking to make this your new home, get in touch with me today. I am happy to book you a private showing.